So RFK Jr. accuses Frank Pallone of taking $2 million from Big Pharma, and then this happens. Y'all like the video right here. Follow for more updates, and check this out.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, Secretary Kennedy, for being with us today. I want to begin by commending you for the work your department and the administration has done to make improvements in the health of the American people and to be responsible stewards of our tax dollars. Time and time again, we heard from the prior administration mismanagement across the department, but I'm particularly concerned about the damage inflicted to public trust in our health institutions. Unsurprisingly, when faced with sweeping mandates, the American public responded with skepticism and mistrust. I know you've already taken steps to restore public trust in our health institutions. Do you see those as being successful in the near future, or over what timeline?
We're going to restore public trust, Congressman, Vice Chairman, by restoring truth. We're going to tell the truth to the American people, and we're going to use evidence-based science, gold standard science. As I said, we're going to use replication. If I can take a minute just to respond to something that Congressman Pallone said, and I'll address you, Congressman Pallone. 15 years ago, you and I met. You were at that time a champion for people who had suffered injuries from vaccines. You were very adamant about it. You were the leading member of Congress on that issue. Since then, you've accepted $2 million from pharmaceutical companies in contribution, more than any other member of this committee. And your enthusiasm for supporting the old ACIP committee, which was completely rife and pervasive with pharmaceutical conflicts, seems to be an outcome of those contributions.
Point of order. Mr. Chairman, point of order. Point of order.
The chair recognizes
Point of order. The gentleman is impugning the reputation of a member of Congress.
Mr. Pallone.
Stop the clock.
Can you stop the clock for a second? Can you state the point of order?
Yeah. He was impugning Mr. Pallone's.
Mr. Chairman, I didn't hear it. Did the
Oh,
gentleman?
you weren't paying attention. That's why.
Well, it's hard to pay attention here when we're not getting any response.
Okay,
My
okay.
understanding now is that the secretary said something about me taking money from pharmaceuticals. Is that what he says?
He's not fighting for
The secretary implied that Mr. Pallone would not fight for vaccine victims because he took money from the pharmaceutical industry.
Again,
Needs to take back those words.
Okay, here we go.
Taken down.
This, Mr. Secretary, this is a valid point of order, I'm told. So I'd ask you if you would, please take back those words.
They're retracted.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue on with the decorum that I mentioned earlier in this hearing.